Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Terraform and the Azure CLI are installed and authenticated. This is why you use As login and set the subscription upfront. Once done, create a resource group and a service principal for non-interactive runs so Terraform can manage resources securely. Now create your main. TF and variables. TF files with an Azure provider block, then run Terraform in it to download providers and initialize the state backend. This prepares the directory for planning and applying changes. You now define the network and compute. Create an Azure virtual network and subnet for isolation, then add a public IP and network interface so the VM can communicate. Next, declare Azure Linux Virtual Machine or Azure Windows Virtual Machine with image, VM size, admin credentials, and attach the NIC. This is where you balance cost versus performance. Make sure to parameterize values with variables and include outputs for IP and VM ID. Finally, you apply the configuration with Terraform apply and confirm creation by reviewing outputs for public IP and VM ID. This verifies success. If the VM fails to boot or networking is wrong, use As VM getInstanceView and As Network Public IP Show to inspect the guest status and IP allocation. These commands reveal boot diagnostics and NIC assignments. If Terraform state doesn't match reality, run Terraform refresh or import the external resource to state, and always keep a backup of the state file in case you need to roll back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.